Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials, the exact name as printed on your Aadhaar and the date of birth. Once you have the PDF file open in your folder, make sure you can view the Aadhaar details to match spelling and spacing. You need this accuracy because the PDF password is derived from those fields. Open a plain text app to type the candidate passwords as you try them. Do not guess wildly. Small differences in name formatting break the password. Now you construct the password using the standard pattern. Take the first 4 letters of the name as shown on the Aadhaar, convert them to uppercase, and append the 4-digit birth year. For example, if the name is Rajesh and birth year 1985, try Raj 1985. Once done, try variants. Include a space or omit special characters if the name has them. If the name has fewer than 4 letters, use the whole name in uppercase and test with the year. Finish by entering the most likely password into your PDF reader, and when it opens, immediately save a new copy in a secure location if needed. If the file still refuses to open, make sure you match the Aadhaar text exactly. Prefixes like Shri or SMT, hyphens, or multiple names can change the first 4 letters. If repeated attempts fail, avoid brute force. Instead, verify Aadhaar details from the card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.